So this is probably the biggest fingerboard unboxing you're going to watch. So for today's video, we're going to be unboxing or unpacking all of the sponsor packages for my event, Flippin' Fingers 4. Let's start. So for our first package, this box came from Black River. So let's open this one up. I'm gonna show you what they sent us. Inside, we have a ton of magazines. Next one is we have this pack right here, which is going to be the stickers. They sent a lot of stickers. So they sent us 3 packs of grip tape right here. Then they sent us 2 decks. Next one is the exciting part because this is going to be the obstacles. We have this one right here. So we have the box 3, which is very nice. Thank you so much, Black River. And this is my first time opening a package from Black River as well. I haven't really ordered something from them directly. So this is my first time opening a Black River package or a box. For our next obstacle, we have this bench right here. It is the bench with the round coping on the edge. Next one is we have a Black River pocket kicker right here. Next one, we have some Black River pole bank. I'm sure that's what it's called. We have a rail. I can feel it already. We have this high round rail right here. Brand new Black River rails are so good. They look so good. So we have 2 more stuff inside this box. Next one is we have this. Oh, these are Black River posters right here. A lot of Black River posters. Last item inside the box is some Black River trucks, X wide 34mm, white hanger, silver base plate if I'm not mistaken, right here. That's it for the Black River box. So on to the next package. We have this package from ASI Berlin. This just came in today, so it was clutch. So let's open this one up. First is we have this full setup from ASI Berlin or ASI Berlin. Next one is we have another setup from ASI Berlin or ASI Berlin. This is their fishtail setup right here. Next one is we have a bunch of stickers. I mean a lot of stickers as you guys can see. So yun, open na natin itong dalawa na to. Unahin na natin dito. Mukhang damit to. First one, meron tayong t-shirt from ASI Berlin. Next one is we have a hoodie from ASI Berlin right here. And last thing inside the ASI Berlin package is this one. Yo, sabi ko na nga ba, obs eh. Ganda nito guys, so bilog na bricks. First time ko lang makakita nito, bilog na bricks. Tapos medyo mabigat din siya. Ganda nito, solid. Is a package from Icon Fingerboards and meron pang logo sa harap. So what Icon Fingerboards sent is 2 decks right here and 2 packs of foam tape right here. May engraved to na foam tape nila. Moving on to the next one, we have this package from, I think this is from Sauce Fingerboards from Thailand. So sa loob na itong box na to, merong 2 decks right here. This is the first one, this is the second one, and then inside we have 2 packs of Sauce high quality grip tape right here. So next one, we have this package from Obsius Fingerboards. Damn, dami. Inside is we have 3 setups. Damn. So we have 3 wheels right here. We have 3 Obsius trucks right here. We have all black, all purple, and all iron right here. Lastly, we have some deck. First one, the blue one right here. Deck right here. We have this deck right here. So we have 3 setups from OBFB. So next one is we have this package from Flatface Fingerboard. So sinabay niya lang to sa stocks ko na nakaraan kaya nakaganitong package lang siya. Hugutin ko na lahat na nandito sa loob. We have some ducky tapes right here. We have 2 packs of ducky tape. Next one naman is we have some duck decks. Meron tayong clear na pink at saka yung black nila na duck decks. And lastly, we have some Flatface wheels. We have Flatface G4 gold and Flatface G8 na black. So next one is we have some stuff from Bravo Fingerboards. We have 2 mini bench right here. So meron tayong quarter pipe from Bravo. Ganda rin na ito, yung coping niya bricks. Next one is we have this big pallet right here. And lastly, meron tayong box from Bravo Fingerboard. Inside is we have a ton of stuff. Meron tayong 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 decks from Bravo Fingerboards. And then we have 3 sets of trucks and wheels and a ton of stickers. Next one is we have this package from 2110 Obstacles. Inside is itong obs from 2110 10 obstacles. Ito siya. Para siyang pole bank din. Next one is we have this package from Avenue Fingerboards and from Dildex. Inside is we have a deck. Nice, ang ganda nito. Purple siya na deck. Inside, we have a deck from Dildex. Ito siya. Exotic siya na deck. This one is from Soana Fingerboards. Nilagay ko lang siya dito sa box na to kasi kasama siya dun sa stocks ko. Pero we're going to be giving away 10 sets ng Soana trucks dun sa event ko. So, kung sino man yung mananalo, solid, di ba? And then, meron pa palang mga pinadala si Soana. So, meron siya pinadalang dalawang decks, which is itong dalawa. And meron pang kasamang 3 decks from his friend. Lalagay ko lang dito yung IG, nakalimutan ko kasi. Pero ito, 3 decks. So, thank you so much. So, we have a few stuff from FBS. Meron tayong 5 patch from Fingerboard Store. And we have 5 packs ng FBS tape right here. Next one naman is nagpadala sa atin si Level Up Fingerboards ng pack din nila, ng promo pack nila. We have 4 promo packs. Sa loob, merong isang sheet ng foam tape at saka isang set ng Level Up bushings right here. So next one naman, we have this package from Junk Wheels. Meron tayong isang set ng plastic streets nila right here. And then we have 2 sets ng bushings nila. Okay, next one naman is yung sponsor pack ni Dude Guy Fingerboards. Ito siya, meron tayong DGFB tires. Ang ganda nito, laki. And then next one, meron tayong DGFB Formula 3 na gulong. Next one naman is meron tayong package from Pyro. We have this Pyro bushings in purple and 1 pack ng grip tape or foam tape nila. Next one, we have some decks from Deli Decks. I think ito yung mga poly decks nila eh. Ito yung mga poly decks nila. This one. And then this, ang ganda nito. Ang ganda ng graphic nito. Solid. Orange pa siya. Orange pa yung mismo deck. Ganda. Is we have some decks from Gutsy Fingerboards. Siya. Gutsy Fingerboards gave us 2 decks to having it as a prize sa event. Next one is we have this picnic table from Breakless Kid. Ayan, shoutouts Breakless Kid for the picnic table. Next one is we have this package from Alpha Fingerboards. 1 deck from Alpha Fingerboards. Exotic ply siya. Ito siya. So, next one naman is from Repo. Meron silang pinadala sa ating 2 decks, which is this one. And then, this one. So, shoutouts Repo. Thank you so much for 2 decks. Solid niyan. So, next naman is we have a few wheels from Clairvoyant. Meron tayong 3 wheels from them. Yan. So, kung nagtataka pala kayo ba't naka-open na itong mga to, yung iba kasi dito is galing sa mga restock ko, kaya inipon ko na lang sila yung mga nakabukas na. Next one naman is from ILO Fingerboards. Ganda rin na ito. Ito yung isa sa mga pinakamaganda nilang graphic. Next one is we have a few stuff from UAGFB. Meron tayong A-frame trucks right here. And meron tayong Gory Grip Max right here. Ito guys, solid. Meron tayong 4 na gulong from Maple Wheels. Ayan, meron tayong 4 na sets. Next one is we have a few stuff from Caramel Fingerboards. Nagpadala sila ng 2 set ng 75D na gulong nila. Nagbigay din sila ng isang set ng C4 35mm. And nagbigay sila ng 2 packs ng foam tape nila, which is this one. So lastly, dun sa mga naka-open na, this one is from Cartwheels. Nagpadala siya ng 2 sets ng wheels, which is this yellow one and blue one. For sure, collab to. Ay, meron pa palang mga nakabukas. Nakahiwalay lang. So, meron tayong a few stuff from Kalye Fingerboards or Kalye Decks. So, we have 3 shirts na ganito. Yan, thank you so much Christian. Thank you so much Kalye for sponsoring these shirts. So, next one naman is we have 5 shirts from Progress. Thank you so much Progress kay Kuya Migs sa pag-handle sa akin. So, next one is we have this package from El Jefe Fingerboards. Open na natin. We have a bunch of decks. Nararamdaman ko na siya. So, yeah. Ang daming decks na ito. Ay, 6 pala. 6 sets ng Notepad Tunes. Ayan. 6 sets ng Notepad Tunes. And then, 5 decks. This one. This one. This one. This one. Ganda. Ganda ng 5 na yun. Lahat split fly. Sobrang solid. Thank you so much, El Jefe Fingerboards. So, kung muna medyo marami. Para sunod-sunod. Unahin na natin to from Club 9. So, what we have inside is itong, ang tawag dito. So, yung nasa loob niyan, ng envelope is a sheet of Club 9 tape and some Club 9 na necklace right here. Moving on to the next one. So, this one is from Brillante Fingerboards. So, shoutouts kay Sir Jam. So, what we have is foam tape and then 2 decks. Yan, nasira ko pa yung packaging. Ayan, 2 decks. Next one is we have this package from Malt Street. Ayan, we have some trucks from Malt Street. Ito siya. Malt Street fingerboard holder. Ayan, nagupit ko pa yung packaging. Next one naman is from Woodworks. So, una, meron tayo netong L-Ledge. Sure akong L-Ledge to. Yan nga, L-Ledge nga. Thank you so much, Woodworks. Ito naman from Mighty Fingerboards. So, we have a few stickers from Mighty Fingerboards. Mga sticker sheets right here. 1 pack ng foam tape nila. And 1 deck from Mighty Fingerboards. Ang dami na natin decks, guys. Next is from Shrooms. So, we have 1 shirt from Shrooms Clothing. And thank you so much, Sir DJ. So, next naman is we have this package from Holy Grail Fingerboards. So, inside, we have a few stuff. Ang dami nito, ah. Sige, isa-isay natin. First one is we have this deck from Holy Grail Fingerboards. And another deck. Ito yung Hornet. Hornet na. And we have last one, yung isang deck na, uy, 1 of 1. Talagay 1 of 1. Tapos yung graphics ngayon, kapag nagagalaw, naiiba. Holographic siya. Holographic. Galing. Rolling Stones fingerboard wheels, isang set. And then 3 packs ng side B foam tape. Right here. So next one naman, may mga naiwan pa pala nakabukas, which is a deck from Mackenzie Fingerboards, deck from Bones Fingerboards, and 1 set of wheels from Aliu Fingerboards or Sulit Wheels. Next one is we have this package from Vector Fingerboard Shop, a set of Southsoft BRT pivot cups, and 1 pack ng Hooded Moon Fingerboard Grip Tape from Japan. Ayan. Next one naman is we have this picnic table from Moraway Ramps. Ang laki na ito, isang haba. Oh. Next one is we have this package from Hybrid Wheels. So ayan, we have 1 set ng dual durometer wheels from Hybrid. Ayan. Next one naman is we have package from Rice Fingerboards. So, meron siyang pinadalang 2 deck, yung collab namin. Next one naman is we have this package from SOB Fingerboards. So, ito yung pinadala ng Stay On Board. Ayan. Isang 33mm na 5-ply deck. So, next one naman is we have this package from Pipsqueak Wheels. So, inside is we have some Pipsqueak stickers. Next one is we have 2 sets ng Pipsqueak Wheels. Ayan, silang ganda nito. White, blue, red. Ganda nito. Next, from Locals. What we have from Locals? Oh, nagpadala sila ng pairing oil. And then, meron pa silang pinadala na mga bushings. Ayan. They sent us 5 sets ng bushings. Ayan. Thank you so much, Locals. So, next one is we have this package from Shrunk Project. Nagpadala sila ng ledge nila. Actually, ganda nito. Ganda na itsura. Next one naman is we have 2 shirts from High Flyer. Thank you so much kay Sir Eggy Chavez. Eggy Chavez, thank you so much for the shirts. And then down to the last 4 packages. Unahin na natin is itong tatlo na to. This one is from Night Shift Fingerboards. We have 1 deck from Night Shift Fingerboards, 34mm NSX shape. And then we have 3 sheets ng foam tape. Next one naman is a package from Wackflip. Yung pagkakabasa ko sa name. Tama ba? Wackflip. So, inside the package, we have some fingerboard holders and some stickers. Ang ganda na itong fingerboard holder na to, ah. Ganda ng ganitong fingerboard holder din, eh. Forma. Next one is we have this package from Tricombs Fingerboard. So, inside this we have 2 decks and 2 sets ng bushings right here. 2 bushings and 2 decks. Thank you so much, Tricombs Fingerboards. And last one na papakita ko sa inyo is a sponsor package from Gnarly. Nagpadala sila ng shorts. So, ayan, una, nagpadala sila ng banner para i-display dun sa event. Next one naman is nagpadala sila na itong yellow na shorts. So, ayan, nagpadala sila ng green na shirt right here. 2 white na t-shirt right here. So, ayun, tapos na ako mag-unbox. Napakadami na ng in-unpack ko. Pero parang meron pang 20 plus na hindi dumadating sa mga sponsors. Yung iba iabot na lang nila sa akin dun sa mismong day ng event. So, ang haba ng unboxing na to, napapagod na ako. And papakita ko na sa inyo lahat. So, ayan sila lahat. Hindi pa kasama yung Black River, Asi Berlin. Tapos yung mga shirts. And, yun. Thank you so much sa pagnood na itong video na to. And sana pumunta ka sa event ko. Kung pupunta ka man, kita kits. And Sa lahat ng sponsors, thank you so much. Thank you so much sa pagsuporta sa event ko. Thank you so much sa pagpapadala na itong mga gamit na to. I really appreciate you. Without you, yung event is hindi matutuloy sigurado kasi wala pang premyo. So, yun. Again, thank you so much sa lahat ng sponsors, sa lahat ng sumuporta, sa lahat ng tumulong para mabuo yung event. And that is it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Till next time, peace out.